feel that too? Do you know what just happened? Well, that's what we call an earthquake, a small one indeed. By the way, I am Teacher Queenie, and allow me to share something about earthquakes today. The surface of the earth is like a jigsaw puzzle. Yes, it's not a single piece of land, but approximately 20 pieces of puzzle that constantly move. But we don't feel it because they move quite slowly. Each one of those puzzle pieces are called tectonic plates. So, whenever those plates kick, bump, or slide past another plate, an earthquake occurs. There are three types of plate tectonic boundaries. First, the convergent boundary. Here, one plate is forced over another during an earthquake, which causes a thrust fault. Many hills and mountains have been formed due to the convergent boundary. Second is a divergent boundary. Here, plates are drifted apart from each other, forming a rift zone. This kind gives birth to new ocean floors. Lastly, the transform fault. Here, the plates slip by each other, which is also called the strike slip. The surface where these plates slip is called the fault or the fault plane. So, when do you think an earthquake happens? Well, it happens all the time. But hey, don't be too scared. Most of the times, we don't feel the quakes as they are too small to reach us. However, there are times that they are so strong that they can be felt over 1,000 miles away. It is estimated that there are 500,000 detectable earthquakes in the world each year. Out of these, nearly 100,000 of them can be felt and around hundreds of them cause damage. Because of earthquakes, with destructive and unpredictable nature, it is crucial to be aware of the safety measures one must take during such event. Remember to duck, cover, and hold. Duck down to the floor, take cover under a sturdy table or desk, and hold on until the shaking stops. Make sure to avoid danger spots near windows, hanging objects, mirrors, or tall furniture. By the way, the place where the earthquake originates is called the hypocenter or the focus, and the point directly above it on the Earth's surface is called the epicenter. In general, earthquakes are the shaking, rolling, or sudden shock of the Earth's surface. What's terrifying about them is that they can occur at any place at any moment. Trivia time! Did you know that the instrument used by scientists to measure the intensity of earthquakes is known as the seismograph? And when earthquakes occur underwater, giant waves called tsunami happens. Alright, that's it for today. Again, this is Teacher Queenie now signing off. Tune in next time for more fun facts. Bye-bye!